In this video, I'm going to show you how to make money on social media. The first time I made 100k, it was on Facebook, and yes, I have continued to do that over and over again. So if you're a Facebook lover, any social media lover, let me show you how you can convert those addiction you have on social media into a profiting one. I hope you're ready. Yes, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Kingsley Nemeka. So today in this video, we are going to be discussing how to make money on social media. Do you understand? Yes. So stay put, don't go anywhere. Stay with me to the end of this video. I'm going to show you everything you need. One thing you are going to do for me is to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Yes, go ahead right now. You don't want to miss any update that is coming from this YouTube channel. Go ahead right now and subscribe. Turn on the notification bell icon so that every time we drop a new video that has so much information like this one you're going to get, you will learn a lot from it and have access to knowing, because information is power. If you have an information, you can actually change a lot for yourself. When you're broke, it's not only as a result of not having money, it's also as a result of not having information. Ignorance cannot be casted by Holy Ghost fire, and I bet you it is only when you pay attention you can listen and get information that will clear your ignorance. I hope you're ready for today's video. Yes, go ahead, type in the comment that I'm ready, because I'm ready to show you what you're going to do. A lot of us spend hours on Facebook, a lot of us spend hours on Twitter, a lot of us spend hours on TikTok and different other social platforms. What are we doing? We are feeding on other people's content, we are feeding on other people's posts and a lot of things. We are just there, we are just laughing, watching comedy, watching videos that are really interesting. We are just there. We burn data from January to December every year, and we have not for once thought of how to actually make money from social media. Now, one thing you should know is that a lot of people are online on a daily basis, and yes, it is called social media, a place of fun, and you are not supposed to be selling there. But let me show you how you can convert that place to a place you can be making money. When it comes to making money online, I will always say it, you must be selling something to make money online. Let nobody tell you any other thing. If you have heard any other thing about making money online that is not in line with what I'm about to say to you, discard it. Anything short of that, you are going to get scammed. I know these things like I know my surname, and I'm telling you because I do not want you to experience what I experienced in the hands of scammers on the internet. One thing is sure, if you are going to make legitimate money on the internet, you must be selling something. It's either you are selling a product or you are selling a skills. So let me ask you, what skills do you have? Do you have any skills that you can sell? Do you have any skills that you can monetize? Me, I'm a copywriter. I've taught a lot of people. The first time I made 100,000 naira on Facebook, it was just by monetizing my copywriting skills, and people paid 5,000 naira to learn. Do you get it? It's a skill I spent years to learn, and even as I speak, I'm still learning it. That is one of the skills that have made me money. So what skills do you have? A lot of you know how to design graphics. Can you teach people how to design graphics? Can your graphic be so attractive that people would want you to teach them? This is a question you ask yourself. And some of you will be like, there are a lot of graphic designers, and there's a lot of people doing what I'm doing. Come. Do you know the amount of people they give birth to every day in Nigeria, in Africa, in the world? See, let me tell you the truth. As far as you are here and we are here, people are dying, people are being bettered on a daily basis. So you should stop worrying about whether people are too much or not on your niche. You just need to be exceptional in your niche and carry everybody along, be relatable, and everything you're doing, people want to have access to it. See, before I started selling my copywriting courses on the social media, I first of all brought the copywriting skills on their faces, used it on different occasions to make them take some actions that were really important, and they loved what I was making them do. At the end of the day, I called people to come and learn from me. They came. Yes, that is where my academy called Copy to Cash Academy came in. And yes, we were able to write copies, make cash. I have students who are doing well from that academy, and that is because I was able to teach what I know. Do you understand? So what skills do you have? If you don't have those skills, what product do you have? Is it a product that can help people get more information on how to make money? Is it a product on how to live a good life? When I talk about products, it can be ebook. Write an ebook, teach people something. I have sold one of my ebook 1K for a lot of people, and I know how much I realized from that book. Yes. So you need to have something to sell. You cannot just be on social media year in, year out, burn data, watch comedy, and you're not selling. Don't play. Make sure you have something you are selling on social media. You are there consuming a lot of information, but please make sure you are giving out something that people can actually pay for. Don't just be there. Don't be a lover of every post. Don't comment on every post. Make sure you have something that people know you for. That is the only way you make money on social media. So what is your skills? Some of you should learn video graphic design. Some of you should learn graphic design. Some of you should learn editing. Some of you should just learn. I know someone who is into manuscript. The person is an editor of manuscripts. I know someone who is ebook editor, and the person is making money online. So what are you using to make money online? I know a lot of data vendors who are making money online. So anything you are doing, bring it on social media. There are a lot of people. I have connected with more people that I can never connect with. If I'm supposed to be working step by step, door by door, I would never connect with them. This is one of the most powerful things we have experienced in our time and days: social media. Please stop playing on social media. It's a place to have fun, but please, as you're having fun, make sure you have something that people want to have for a token amount of money, and it will give you steady income once you keep talking about it. I can just be talking to you like this, and the next minute alert drops in my phone, and that's because I have a course I've created on copywriting, and people who come across it want to have access to it. I also have a course I've created on affiliate marketing, on how to make money on that. People are paying for all these things, and that is the beautiful thing. Don't just be on social media and you are parading. If you're on Twitter, make sure you are engaging with people and putting out your product and let people be buying it. If you're a graphic designer, whatever skills you have, make sure people know you with it, so that when you ask people to come and learn from you, they will be glad because they have been seeing your work. The first time I met the girl who's running advert for me on my social media right now, it was on Facebook. I just asked, can I get an ad person on Facebook? People tagged her a lot of times, and I just clicked on her, and it was her. And I said, okay, let's work. And we started working. The other time I wanted someone to also put my advert together, I just came online. See, a lot of people I've worked with online. My graphic designer, we've never met face to face, but he designs my graphic from afar, far from where I'm staying in this part of Nigeria, and a lot of other people. That is the beauty of social media. And before people can trust you and buy whatever you're selling on social media, let me tell you a secret. You must have a well-optimized social media profile. That is saying you should go and get a very good looking background. Your picture should be top notch. One thing is that if people do not believe you and your product, nobody will buy what you're selling. And I know this one, and it is true. Nobody will buy. So you need to come up, show your face, and I don't recommend you use an AI image of you as a profile picture on social media if you're a business person. If you're someone who is wanting for people to pay them money, see, use a real picture of you, just like the one you're seeing on my profile here on Facebook. A lot of people will trust you more, and a lot of people will believe you, and a lot of people want to buy what you're selling. So if you're on any of the social media, optimize your social media very well. Write down things that make people who come to your timeline to know that, oh, this one is into one business or the other. Don't just be there. Don't just be there for the fun. Be there for the cash as well. I believe you learned something in this video, and I really want you to share it to someone, that person that is always online, and at the end of the day, they don't have anything to achieve. A lot of people in this our generation do not care about future plans. Once they have data, future plan can wait, but once the data finish, they can start thinking they are serious. So please don't be like this kind of people that don't have any plan for their future. Every time they're on social media scrolling up and down, they are addicted. And if you know anyone who is addicted on social media, please send them this video, let them come and see it and know that they can actually make money on social media by learning the skills and monetizing it. If you want to learn any skills at all and you want me to help you put you through drop a comment and also tell me what you think about this video. And because once you drop a comment and you like this video will be able to be recommended to other people. Please, that is the only thing you give us in return for all the information we're packaging for you. Thank you very much for watching. Just like I say to my students, I'm going to say to you, chase knowledge first.